Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna focus a little bit on my Silverado. I bought a new exhaust kit for it. Be a dual exhaust in the back. It's not going to be a true dual, but it'll breathe easier. I got a Flowmaster 44 muffler for it. The kit did not come with a new intermediate pipe, and looking at the old one, I just don't think that I could reuse it, so I went out and bought a new one. Things are a little loose here. Show you here if I can do this one-handed. So this kind of like slips too much. There's a kind of a gap here. It's just, for me, it's like too much to clamp with a muffler clamp to seal that up. Kind of janky. So I got some scrap material here from a previous project. I'm going to slick this on here like so, and then weld that on, and then I'll cut another piece to fill this in, and this will all get ground smooth. And I already tried fitting this, and this is real snug, and provide, once I put the clamp on, it's really going to seal it up the way it's supposed to. So that's what we're getting to today. Okay, so I got the piece welded in. And I'll show you. It's a much snugger fit. You look around here, there's like nothing, right? So I'm going to try my hand at some brazing and go all around this seam right here. That's the extension I put on. So now I got the seam brazed up. Oh wow, it's a little warm over there still. Alright. So I'll dress that up with a grinding wheel and she'll be all set to go together. There, I hit it with the wheel and dressed it up a little bit. Go together a lot easier now. Well, that's it for now until I start putting it together. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, have a nice day.